The Hubble telescope has revolutionized our understanding of the universe. Launched in 1990, this space-based observatory has captured breathtaking images of distant galaxies, nebulae, and other astronomical phenomena. Its position above Earth's atmosphere allows it to take incredibly clear pictures, free from atmospheric distortion. One of its most famous images is the Hubble Deep Field, which shows thousands of galaxies in a tiny patch of sky, revealing the vastness of the universe. The Hubble has also provided valuable data on the age and expansion of the universe, helping scientists refine the Big Bang Theory. Another significant contribution is its study of exoplanets. By observing the dimming of stars as planets pass in front of them, the Hubble can gather information about these distant worlds, including their atmospheres and potential habitability. The Hubble telescope's continuous stream of discoveries has inspired countless people to look up and wonder about the cosmos. Its legacy will continue to influence astronomy for generations to come.